everyone. My name is Prince and this is my sister Amira Ekumare. And we're going to be here making chicken soup and rice. Well, the rice is already cooked. So we're just going to be making the chicken soup. So the ingredients are mashed potatoes, cabbage, salt, pink salt, and the marinated chicken, and the red pepper, and the green pepper, and green pepper. Now, so we have carrots, bay leaves, green bell pepper, ginger, garlic, red bell peppers, onions, spring onions, seasoning cubes, garlic powder, ginger powder, and boiled eggs. Well, boiled eggs is not part of the ingredients, but we're just using it since our family loves it. We like fried and boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, but today we're using boiled eggs. Okay, let's start cooking! So now that we've poured the oil, we need to wait for it to heat a little. Now we're going to add our ginger and garlic. So first, we're gonna add the garlic, ginger, now that we're not adding the both of them, we're now going to mix everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting the chicken inside. Now we're gonna add the chicken, the garlic. No, don't! Now that we're done adding the chicken, the garlic, and the ginger, we're now going to add some seasoning cubes. So this is our first seasoning cube. So now let us stir and wait for it to cook for a while. Am I whisking well? Looks very nice. You guys, if we're here to smell it,
Sorry, you said?
You guys, if you are here right now, you just want to smell it. So now that we're done waiting for the chicken to cook a little, I'm going to add a little bit of the onion. So I'm going to add some here. So Now that we're done adding the onions, we're now going to mix it and stir around. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of curry powder. Now that we're done adding the corn powder, we now need to mix it with the chicken and the onions. Okay, so now the chicken looks a little bit cooked. I don't want to overcook it. So we're going to remove the chicken and add all of the other ingredients before we put it back. Okay, so now we have a clean plate to put the chicken in. So now we're going to add the bay leaves and the carrots. Now we're going to need to add the mashed potatoes. And I'm going to put the mashed potatoes. So now that we're done pouring the mashed potatoes, we're going to mix it. My hand is full of potato, like a potato man. Like a potato man. Do you like that? Now we're going to leave it to cook a little. So, before you to do it, I'm gonna add 3 scoops of the red pepper. Now we're done adding the red pepper. Now we need to add the green pepper. This is the green pepper, and if you're making chicken soup, you only need 1 scoop of pepper. Like and as well, if you don't like pepper, you just add a little. Yeah. Okay. The time is we missed this fire. Looking the rain. What the spider? Hey! Wait up! No waiting around. I said don't eat around. And make sure you like and subscribe to our video so that you find more of our videos. Yeah! Yeah! others there. And now I'm going to add the other seasoning.
Watch the spider. Things I never gave a ring. This around the world.
So I got a spoon.
Let's use the world.
Just need one more for now.
We got a little bit of salt. Is this enough? Looks like nice tiny balls. Looks like tiny balls. Now let's go very hot.
You stir it?
Now let's stir it.
We're going to add a little bit of the garlic powder. So make sure you put it everywhere so you can get the taste properly.
Then add some more
Ginger powder. So we're going to add some ginger powder.
fish ginger powder. See the ginger powder is like, no, let's mix it up. No, I don't mix it.
There. We're going to be pouring the chicken back inside. This will be fun.
Yeah.
Gently?
And as well, the chicken has cooled down.
Yeah.
It's cooled down. Gently do so you will not burn yourself.
Mommy, what happens if I put this?
So we're done putting the chicken. Now we'll just stir and mix it very, very well. And as well, make sure you do not take too long before the vegetables will be too overcooked.
Yeah, and it's not good when it's
You said?
And it's not going when it's overcooked. You spoil the taste.
yeah, and the taste of that
You
garbage.
lose the nutrients.
Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the vegetables. And also the red bell peppers. Our chicken soup is ready to eat!
This is yummy.
I'm gonna explain all those things.
Yeah, mommy is really good.
I know.
You guys are can't be raised.
Delicious.
The change that.
I want more.